I recently purchased a Ring Video Doorbell 2 system that I'm going to install out by my front door, as you can see here, along with the Ring Chime. Where my family room is, it's back a little ways from the front door, so it's hard to hear the doorbell when it rings as it is right now. So this will be plugged into an outlet here in the family room. So let's see what's in the box. There's the Ring Video Doorbell 2 with the silver plate or silver cover. Instruction books. I guess this is a mounting bracket. With the hardware. USB cable. And the installation tools. Second faceplate if you don't want to use the silver. And the battery. So that's inside the Ring Video Doorbell 2 box. Now this is the Ring Chime. Tiny little brochure. And the Ring Chime. I will probably use the darker faceplate. So that's what comes with the Ring Video Doorbell 2. I'm going to get this installed within the next day or two, and we'll see how it works.